Hey everyone, Tim Milbrath from Almon, and with me today is Keith Kamikawa, one of Almon's many talented animators. Today we want to answer some frequently asked questions we get regarding animation solutions. Now, visual content is becoming a critical component for success in the manufacturing world, and animation is one of the biggest reasons why. Animation supports tech pubs, training, sales, and marketing deliverables, and it transcends language and traditional methods of content delivery. So Keith, we've got 5 questions, let's get to it.
All right.
There are many file types in the CAD world today. What exported CAD file types work best for you and your team?
We work with a large variety of file types, but we find that step files to be the most efficient for creating animation. Step files are great at storing precise data, bill of material lists, and color information. We also work with a bunch of other file formats, including SolidWorks, Pro or Creo, CATIA, Parasolid, to name just a few more.
What does it mean when your team renders and optimizes the CAD data?
When we optimize a client's CAD data, we alter the format's native file. This fundamentally changes the 3D file's information. CAD is also many gigabytes in size, so this streamlines the file and allows us to manipulate it for animation. At this point, we add realistic textures, making cast iron look like cast iron and rubber feel rubbery. Finally, rendering the converted CAD data is the last step. And all this conversion, adding materials and animation, hopefully pays off in what's to be a pretty cool looking visual.
Once the CAD data is optimized, what can be done with it?
Once the CAD data is optimized, it's an incredibly flexible format. We could create art for technical publications, including black and white images, line art, or photorealistic renders. We could create 2D or 3D animation to supplement training, dynamic 3D animation for marketing, or assets for real-time 3D applications like mobile apps, virtual reality, or augmented reality.
CAD data is obviously highly proprietary. What does Almon do to protect our customers' data?
That's one of the most important questions we get asked. When we convert and optimize the CAD data, it creates a neutral file format. This strips away all precise dimensions, manufacturing processes, machine tolerances, and all proprietary information. Visually, the machine still looks great, but it ensures it's impossible to remanufacture or even 3D print the machine in its original state.
Can you show a few examples of how other manufacturers are using animation to solve problems?
Absolutely. This animation is demonstrating the hydraulic flow through a revolutionary 3D printed oil cooler. The University of Minnesota and the National Fluid Power Association used this animation to illustrate this new manufacturing process to show attendees of ConExpo. By using CAD data and animation, we can show the internal structure of the component and the flow of the fluid through that component. In this next video, using 3D CAD data, we created a lightweight, realistic working model that cannot be reverse engineered. This was used in both an instructor-led and e-learning training course for technicians. It highlights a new piece of technology to the chainsaw engine carburetor, showing how the auto-tune module controls the air-fuel mixture. This simply can't be shown in a video or cutaway. Finally, this is a marketing deliverable that Fairbanks Morse used at the PowerGen show to illustrate the features of their new Trident OP engine. We used their CAD data to animate specific systems. The highlights in green showed the fuel system. These red highlights show the vertical gear train, which is a new design.
Great, thanks Keith, and thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have more questions on how animation can help your business.